Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2007 BMW 328i. You're going to find it located on the driver's side inside this airbox. On either side of the front snorkel here, you're going to have a T20 and a T20 here. Now you're going to grab the snorkel here, pull it on out, set it to the side. On this side here, you're going to have two 10mm screws. Next, we're going to need to remove the connector for the mass airflow sensor. You're going to notice we need to lift up on this tab right here. I'm going to use a small pick to lift up on the tab, just a little bit, not too much so you don't break it. And you'll grab the connector housing and pull back. Next, we're going to need to remove the band clamp located down here. You can use a 6mm socket or a flathead screwdriver to remove this clamp. Once the clamp is loose, you can reach down in here with your hand and pull off the hose. Doing it this way is pretty difficult. What I like to do is just grab the airbox on both sides, twist this side to side like this a little bit, and it'll slide right off. Because if you come in here with your hand and try to pull this off, you don't have a lot of space at all, and it's pretty stuck in there. You're going to try to fight this a lot. Just doing it this way is so much easier and less headache. Now the airbox here has 6 T25 screws all around. Now one thing about these screws is that you don't need to remove them all the way. So right about here, when you start to see the threads come out, you can stop because they get stuck to the top portion of the box. Now if you notice, I didn't remove any of the screws. I just left them attached to the airbox. You can lift up and remove the engine air filter. Any debris that you see in here, you can clean out with the vacuum or flip it over, dump it out. Here is the part number for the engine air filter from BMW. Slide in the new filter. This only goes in one way. Push in on the sides here so it fits into the groove. Position the airbox. We're going to tighten down the screws. They don't need to be too tight. Pretty much as long as two halves come and meet together, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. There's a close-up view of what I mean. This is where the two halves come together, right here, right in here, this gap. That's it. You don't need to go any more than that. Now to insert the airbox, we're going to do the same thing where we're not going to really mess with this guy. We're just going to grab the whole airbox and shove it into the intake hose. We're just going to position it. We'll go side to side and you'll feel it slide into place. You can come in on this side just to make sure that the hose is actually going into the right spot. Verify here. Look around on the other side, make sure it is going in correctly. Now there is a specific spot where this clamp goes. You can slide up and you'll hear it slide into a spot right there. So now you'll hold it here with one hand and ratchet it down, tighten it down with the other. That's snug right there. And now you can grab the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Bring it around. No fancy maneuvers here. Just position it and then just slide it into place. So you hear that audible click right there. Next, we're going to position the two 10mm bolts and tighten them down. Last thing to do is to install the snorkel here. You're going to grab this, slide it into position, and you're going to feel that this is going to fit into a couple of slots here. Just match those up. This will clip in here, and then you just need to line up the holes here for the T25s or the T20s. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2007 BMW 328i. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.